Hi, I just received my new, duplicate set of pop-ons, and I just got it, and it also came with this fresh foam. I ordered it the other day. I already have a set, but I wanted to get a new one, so new set here. And what do we have? Oh my gosh, these I like the color of those, although I think that's just they're not for your teeth. Okay, and here they are, and we're gonna pop them in, and we're gonna see what they look like. My teeth are cracked, chipped, and all different colors, and it's just embarrassing to actually smile with people. So these are my new ones right here. I'm gonna put them on, and let's see, this is the top. See how the color here is just, this one here, and I smile, and I just feel very self-conscious. So, oh wow, already there's a change in my, and oh wow, these are Hollywood white, and that's fine with me. I just want to look nice when I'm in photos and not be so self-conscious about my teeth. I love pop-on veneers. I can't believe how easy it is to do. I should have done this a long time ago. Thank you. And if you ever feel like you want to do it, I would say do it. Try it. It can't hurt. Just try it. Thanks.